Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to create meeting links in Microsoft Teams. So start by opening the Microsoft Teams desktop app or visiting Teams on your web browser. Then sign into your Microsoft account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Teams home screen, on the left sidebar, click Calendar. If you don't see it, click the More Apps icon and select Calendar. Now, in the top right corner, once you're on the calendar section, click New Meeting. So a window will appear where you can set up your meeting. Then enter a meeting title so it's easy to identify later. So just type it in. Next, you can enter name or email. Once done, down here, so you can choose the date, start time, and end time. If you're creating the meeting just to get a shareable link, you can choose any available time. If you'd like, you can also add attendees. You can select location or include a description with a meeting agenda. So these fields are optional and can be edited later. After filing in the details, click Save in the top right corner. So Teams will create the meeting and automatically generate a unique meeting link. So click Copy. Now open the meeting from your calendar. So near the top of the meeting details, click Copy Join Info or Copy Meeting Link. So depending on your version of Microsoft Teams.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
So the meeting link is now copied to your clipboard. You can paste it into an email, Microsoft Teams chat, WhatsApp, Slack, or any messaging app to invite participants. So anyone with a link can join the meeting based on your organization's meeting settings. If required, participants may need to wait in the lobby until you admit them. Now, if you need to make any changes, simply reopen the meeting from your calendar. You can update the details and save your changes by clicking Edit and update the details. So the meeting link will usually remain the same unless you create an entirely new meeting. And that's basically it. So that's how you can create and share a meeting link in Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.